po, I'll share with you na sa left na butas, actually parang may lumabas na medyo puti. And to be honest, I actually got scared when I found it out. So, sa huling video na na-upload ko, na-share ko po doon yung experience ko na nagpabunot ako ng 2 wisdom teeth 1 year and 7 months after I gave birth. So, this time po, I'll share with you na sa left na butas, actually parang may lumabas na medyo puti. And to be honest, I actually got scared when I found it out. Ako kasi yung tao na I keep on checking the wound from the mirror to really find out or to check if how the wound was healing, kung okay ba yung pagkaka-heal niya, or if there are some complications kasi I was really scared that there might be some complications, and if ever there's any, para naman malunasan siya agad, or I can take something to prevent it from having more complications. So, yun, I keep on checking the wound from time to time from the mirror. And then, I think mga siguro 3 days or 4 days after na nabunot yung 2 ngipin, dito sa left side, parang may lumabas na medyo puti siya. And I was actually thinking na baka it was just a food particle. Pero when I touch it with my tongue, parang sobrang soft niya naman. Okay, this might not be a food particle because I kept on, like nagmumog ako ng tubig and I tried to get it using my tongue, hindi siya natatanggal. So, yun, I got actually a little bit scared kasi medyo nag-swell yung dito na part. Yeah, medyo nag-swell siya. So, I got a little scared. I was thinking that there might be a connection between the swelling and yung parang may puti na lumabas. So, I was already thinking na it would have been better siguro, or it would be better siguro na bumalik ako sa dentist to ask, what is it? Is it something that I need to be scared of or whatnot? Mawawala lang ba yun? Ganon. Kasi hindi siya natatanggal. So, what I did was, before I went to the dentist, um, I tried to search from Google first kung ano ba yun, ano yung mga nakita ko, baka food particle lang. But hindi naman siya food particle kasi usually if food particle siya, medyo matigas siya. Pero yun is very soft siya. So, until such, nagsisearch ako ng mga information from YouTube, most especially from dentist. So far, wala akong nakita ng mga na-upload ng mga local dentist natin dito sa Pilipinas. But I found one. I think, if I am not mistaken, he was an Indian dentist, and nag-share siya doon na about like similar sa akin na sometimes may lalabas na parang puti sa wound, sa wound or sa butas ng pinagbunutan ng ngipin. Kasi daw, it is like, I'm not sure what's, nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag nila doon, but para siyang sort of like a medicine or something na nilalagay talaga ng dentist sa butas after mabunot yung ngipin, like before niya tahiin yung gums. Kasi, most especially daw if like severe yung wound, so it actually helps for the healing process. And then, hindi natin siya makikita like 1 or 2 days after nabunot yung ngipin kasi nasa loob siya. But then again, during the healing process, parang our body would identify it as a foreign material or foreign thing na unti-unti niya yung ipapalabas. So, throughout the healing process of my yung wound na pinagbunutan ng ngipin, parang unti-unti niya yung pinalabas. So, upon watching that video, I was actually like relieved. Okay, so this is not something that I need to be worried about. Kasi may nakita din akong mga videos na if nagsuswell siya, it's actually normal. And yung swelling naman na nangyari sa akin is hindi naman siya masyadong nag-swell, like konting-konti lang. So, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, before I go to the dentist, maybe I'll observe for a couple of days, maybe 1 or 2 days more. Let me see if mawawala ba siya. So, through time naman, unti-unti siyang parang I'm not sure what it's called in Tagalog, but in Bisaya kasi nahihilis. Parang unti-unti siyang nawawala. I'm not sure what it's called. Yun. Until mga 8 days or 9 days siguro ata, nawala na talaga siya totally. So, why am I sharing this with you? It's because I know it's scary, but don't be scared kasi it is like really something na linalagay talaga ng dentist sa butas, most especially if grabe yung wound ng pagkakabunot, pinagbunutan ng ngipin natin. Dito sa left side, it actually took the dentist like quick lang to na nabunot. But dito, she actually had like difficulty pulling it out, and then yun, parang it caused the wound to be more severe compared dito. So, kaya hindi ko lang siguro na malayan na nilagay na yung medyo puti na something like a chemical to help the healing process. So, hindi ko siya nakita on that day na binunutan ako. So, but again, I was relieved to hear na it's just something to help the healing process. So, hindi siya like kasi I was scared na baka bone yun, baka buto siya, soft bone, or something na kasama pa dun sa ngipin na hindi siya natanggal totally, na lumabas lang siya. So I was actually like very scared about that. But anyway, so I hope this video will help you feel at ease. But I also still suggest if sobra yung swelling ng inyong mukha, at medyo masakit siya, so I suggest to please see your dentist right away. Yung sa akin kasi, hindi siya masyadong nag-swell, and at the same time, hindi din siya masyadong masakit. I think it's not because I am taking pain relievers. Kasi yung pain relievers ko, yung suggestion kasi ng dentist, you just take it if necessary or sobrang sakit. But yung sa akin, I think 1 or 2 days after, hindi na ako nag-take ng pain reliever kasi hindi na naman siya masakit na sobrang sakit. So yun lang. Again, this is based from my experience po, and it is still best pa rin na you visit your dentist or your medical provider. Yun lang po, and thank you so much for watching this video.